Life is not a bed of roses, but life is a bed of thorns. You have to understand that hurts your life. What is the meaning of life? What is your life? First of all, I just advised you have to understand about your life. What's the meaning of life? The person who can understand what is the meaning of life can be successful one day. Otherwise, the person who doesn't understand the meaning of life, of course, cannot be successful. There goes a proverb: practice makes a man perfect, but the person who doesn't work hard, who doesn't study, and so that's why they cannot be successful. যদি জীবনে সফলতা করতে চাও তাহলে প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে, বিকজ দ্যাট ইজ নট অল্টারনেট টু প্র্যাকটিস। আমরা ম্যাক্সিমাম পার্সন যারা প্র্যাকটিস করি না, কঠোর পরিশ্রম করি না, বাট সফলতার আশায় থাকি। I have more expectation to shine in life in future. Of course, if you want to be successful in your life, I mean throughout your life, of course you have to work hard. In the same way, if you want to speak in English, of course you have to work hard from ground to darks. প্র্যাকটিস না করলে কোনো কিছু সম্ভব না, বাট there are maximum people of Bangladesh, they cannot speak English fluently. This is the only main thing. The main thing is they cannot practice. They don't practice more and more. If they practice more and more, of course, they can speak fluently. So I just advise that you have to work hard, you have to practice more or more. Of course, you can see one day you'll be success. Sometimes there are many students, there are many people asked me the question that how can I improve in English? I just suggest them you have to practice more and more. You have to watch the video like more inspiration video like that. English channel, English news, English paper. You have to build up your habit to read newspaper daily so that you can speak fluently with our friends, with our neighbors, any sphere of life. So I just advise that you practice more and you can see that you will be success. And in the final moment, I just advise also that you have to more and more practice, and you can be already successful. And this is the main thing for only success for that. And I think you'll practice in the rest of your life, and until then be safe and sound. And thank you for watching my video. Bye.